Best Speakers for Music Production 2024. Clear and clean. Choosing a good pair of speakers is very important because it will make your work sound really clear and clean anywhere. Adam Audio AX. Two-way monitors frequency response, 42 Hz to 50 kHz, AX7, 5 or 7 or 8 woofer XR tweeter. Focal 6B. Two-way monitors frequency response, 40 Hz to 40 kHz 6 woofer, cone drivers, Focal Beryllium inverted dome tweeter. Yamaha Edition SH. Two-way monitors frequency response, 30 Hz to 38 kHz, SH8, 5 or 6 or 8 woofer. We must take into account our room to make the best decision in this regard. Remember, music is the most important thing. The rest are just tools to do it better.